Welcome back to Steiner Family Motorsports. If your Ford Ranger or other vehicles go like this, the air only works on max, you might be running into the same issue I'm having where your restrictor for your blower motor is blown. Let's check it out. On this 98 3.0, the restrictor is right here on the passenger side. There's going to be 2 screws you got to unscrew and pull this out and then take the plug off, but don't break those tabs. It just slides right out. And as you can see, my old one is pretty disgusting.